Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to trap in Project Zomboid. First, trapping is used primarily to catch animals for food, like rabbits, rats, birds, and etc., not zombies. You must craft or find traps before they can work. To craft traps, you need the materials and trapping skill. Some traps unlock at low levels, while others require higher trapping skill and sometimes carpentry. Reading hunter magazines also unlocks trap recipes. Once you have a trap item in your inventory, right-click on the ground in a suitable area and choose Place Trap, then select the trap name. Ideal places are forest, vegetation, or farm or town zones depending on the animal you want to catch. After placing a trap, you need to add bait. Right-click the trap and select Add Bait, then choose food that attracts your target animal, like carrots for rabbits or bread or worms for birds. Fresh bait greatly improves success rates. Animals won't get caught instantly. Traps need time and distance to work. Move at least approximately 75 tiles away from the trap because if you stay too close, animals won't enter it. Wait at least an in-game hour before checking. When you return, right-click the trap and choose Check Trap. If successful, the caught animal or item goes into your inventory. You can then cook or butcher it for food, and rebait or reset the trap for future use. And that's how you trap in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.